you can fold this into a triangle. Distance is 2 centimeters. From the scale, you can mark this 2 centimeters. Here, this 2 centimeters. This is the distance. Are you able to see, everyone? Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. हो गया इतना? Are we able to do this much? So I'll again repeat what we have done. I think we have got one new member who has joined our group. So I'll just repeat whatever we have done so far for her. See, what we have done is we have taken a square sheet of paper and then we have folded into half. Okay, once we have folded, then we opened it. Using that as a reference line, we made the cupboard shape by folding the two flaps together like this. Okay, again I am telling, we took a square sheet of paper, fold it into a half, got one reference line. On that reference line, we just folded the two halves like this, the two flaps on that line, such that we get like this. Then we opened it, and on one half, what we have done is we have created the lines, 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these all 4 sections are 2 centimeters apart from each other. 2 centimeters apart from each other. These are all 2 centimeter apart from each other. Okay. Now once this is done, I am going to tell what is the next step. Let me know once you people are ready. Okay. This much, when you have done, all those who have done this much, what they have to do on the other side also, you have to do the same thing. So what I'm again showing for the new people who have joined, we take a scale and we mark a distance at the distance of 2 centimeter. So 2, 4, so 2 centimeter, we mark 4 sections at one side, and then we draw a straight line from bottom till the end, from bottom till the end, from bottom till the end, like this. Okay. Now again, we draw 4 centimeters, 2 centimeter apart, 4 sections, 4 sections. So like this, and we draw like this, like this. We draw it. Okay. Once we have drawn this way, once we have drawn this, what do? We use our scissors and we cut it. So how do we cut? Just look here. So this line, I'll show you over here. See, this line, take the scissors. All the small kids, they should take their parents' help to cut this section. Okay, till the line of the fold, this one. Only till here. You should not cut it completely. Only till here you should leave it. Okay, cut it till the line. Cut it till the line. Again, cut it till the line, like this. So we have got how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have got 4 sections. Now anyone, like this, it should look like. So you should have one flap which is not cut at all, and the two flaps which has 4 stripes on both the sides. Okay, Rishita, as well as this side. Both the sides. Yes, Chanchal, absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay. So should we move ahead? Oh, no? Why, Pratiksha? Tell me. Wait, I'm unmuting you.
Because you told both sides right, I only cut one side.
Okay, cut the other side also, Pratiksha. I'm waiting. Yes, Ranveer, absolutely fine. Ranveer, have you done? Show me, show me. Yeah. So you have not cut all this. Correct, correct. Absolutely. This way, na? Good. Okay. So kids, now what do we have to do? All those who have cut, okay? Take your Fevistick or Fevicol, whatever you have. Okay, whatever you have. Take it, open it. I am using Fevistick. Okay, what we have to do is open and see this flap. And okay, what you can do is you can make the center a small circle with the help of a pencil. See, like this, make a small circle. And then what you do is you have to take this and try to paste all of these on the circle like this and start from the one which is the nearest, okay, at that point. And then you just stick them all like this, like this. So first, take the glue, put it on the center of the page, then put it on the edge and stick this one to this. So one, this we have done. Now on the top of this, we'll again apply the glue, okay, and we'll stick the other side, okay. Now again on this, the second one, we'll apply generous amount of glue and we'll fix the other one. And then again on this side, we'll fix it. Beta, wait, whosoever is Anandita, wait, I'll repeat it again, okay? First check, first see what I'm showing you. Again, I'm going to open it and show you again. Mark any center of the page, take a point and start this one thing, you fix it. Then another, on the top of this flap, first flap, you put this one. Okay? हाँ Nandita, bolo.
Ma'am, do you have to do like we have to join one paper which are cut on the dot and another paper we have to stick on behind it?
I'm not able to understand what you're saying, beta. Uh, so what you have to do, see here, this, so this is your paper, right? This part, which is not cut, you have to take it and you have to mark a point at the center of the paper. Just mark a dot. Okay. Since I couldn't show you the dot, so I created a circle like this. Okay. Mark this and just start, take this, apply a glue over here and then you paste it like this. Okay. That's what I've done here. I've just pasted it. Okay. And then you take the, so then you take the second, you have 4 strips, right? So 4 strips, you paste it one over the other on the same point. At the same point you have to fix, okay? Now see, again, I'm fixing it and I'll show you. I'll fix and I'll show you. Like this, you fix it, and you pinch it. Again, on the top of each other, you fix it. And this way, you're done. So this side is ready. See? Can you see how I fixed? One on the top of the other. So one on the top of the other, on the top of the other, and on the top of the other. Again, I'll show you from close up. This side I'll show you. I'm putting a glue at the center of the page. Ranveer, are you able to do it? Did you finish doing it? Very nice, very nice. Yeah, next side also you have to do. So this way. Saharsh. Okay. Tell me, Saharsh. You can unmute yourself.
Sonal ji, this is Ramya.
Ramya.
Is this correct? One side I have done.
Yeah. Ek minute, huh?
So can I stick the other part also?
Yes. Absolutely. You have done it correctly. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, Betu, tell me.
Auntie, I can't understand. We have to do like this, top of it, like this.
Show me. See, look here, Betu. You show me this flap, one flap which you have not cut, the middle one, right?
Yes.
You have that one flap. Over there at the outside of it, you mark a center point with the pencil, okay? And put the glue there like this. Put the glue there like this. And you stick this one stick to this, like this. इतना कर लिया? इतना सब बच्चों ने किया है?
हाँ.
ठीक है? उसके बाद इसके ऊपर फिर से आप इसको ग्लू करो. इसके ऊपर फिर से ग्लू लगाओ और इसके ऊपर ये जो सेकंड स्ट्रिप है इसको पेस्ट करो. ठीक है?
आंटी उसके बाद थर्ड स्ट्रिप पेस्ट करनी है क्या?
हाँ, उसके बाद मतलब ऐसे ही आपको चारों स्ट्रिप्स को पेस्ट करते जाना है. सेकंड स्ट्रिप, थर्ड स्ट्रिप एंड द फोर्थ स्ट्रिप. तो इस तरीके से वो बन जाएगी. ठीक है? Like this. I'm just doing it on both the sides. तो हमें सब में ऐसे ही करना है. अब एक साइड आपकी हो गई. देखो